We used the JB weld, plastic weld or plastic bonder to adhere our plastic end cap to the sunroof to the metal tray. Now if we look at this side, we did install some on this side as well, so we have a nice water seal, and we did that on both sides. Now this one was whole. Let's get to the other side and I'll show you how the other side looks. This side we had to make or build our own stent out here because the little titty broke off. Now this is the second time we're doing this because it was a learning process. The first time I had this kind of sticking out maybe about a ½ inch into here, and then when I installed it onto the sunroof tray, well, it crushed the tube right here. So what I did was I got another one of these, redid it, and we used the same JB Weld plastic bonder, and we could see it's pretty sturdy. We did on the outside as we did on the inside. Here's that original piece that I was talking about that got crushed. I had it in about up to here, and then this whole portion right here was on the other side of the sunroof tray, and then the tracks, when I proceeded to mount the tray, crushed this guy. So that's why we had to replace that. Very good. Now we're going to install it back on the roof yet again. Great. Now that we're in the driver's seat, I want to show you how really bad the pollen is. You could see it on the windshield, you could see it on the hood. The freaking season has started, guys. It really has. So meow, this is the thing right here that crushed our sleeve or stent that we put in. It was out just a hair too far. So now I'm hoping once I refit the tray, we should be good. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's see. Are we going to be on the struggle bus today or no? What the hell's going on? Oh. Alright, kind of just fell into place there. Oh, shit. I thought it was about to fall on me. Alright. This is not interfering with that, so. Alright, so that's probably good. Get this guy on here. All right, very good. All right, we have to install our sunroof drains. One other thing that we have to be aware of is actually the sunroof drain position. You don't want it facing upward because water don't go up. Even though it's like life, it always finds a way, but you know what I mean. You're going to want it at least level or on a downward slope, just like the driver's side. We're not done. We're going to give it a little water test. Well, we just water tested the sunroof, and as we can see, we are dry. How's this side? Yep, we're dry. Very good. Alright, so we repaired the sunroof tray on the cheap. Some JB Weld. The plastic bond was just under 10 bucks. We also got a can of Rust-Oleum. We had to scuff up the metal tray and just give it a good Rust-Oleum treatment before we applied the JB Weld. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.